In this video, we will learn how to create a air balloon in PowerPoint to make your presentation fun and creative. So, let's start the video. Right button, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill, go to File, select and insert it. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shape and select Oval. Draw a large oval on the slide. This will be the main part of your air balloon. Use Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Go to Merge Shape, select Union. Use Ctrl Shift to duplicate again. Select Rotate left 90 degree. Then select both. Align Center. Go to Merge Shape, select Union. Use Ctrl Shift to duplicate again. Go to More Rotation option. Make size 45 degree. Then select both and align center. Go to Merge Shape, select Union. Select Color from Shape Fill, duplicate and change the color. Make size 22 degrees. Select both and align center. Select this, send to back and group them. Select the oval shape and change the color. Make size 2.4 cm and 2.4 cm. Choose the rectangle shape, drag it. Choose the rounded rectangle, drag it. Click on Picture or Texture Fill and select this. Duplicate the shape. Make size 0.5 cm and 0.5 cm and change the color. Select all. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Effect, click on Rotation and select this. Select this option, click on 3D Format and select Circle. Make size 100 and 105. Select Cool Slant from bottom bevel, make size 300 and 200. Select this, select Angle from bottom bevel, make size 15 and 30. Select this, increase the depth size to 55 and increase size. Go to Fill, click on No Fill. Select this, click on Effect, select Soft Round from top bevel. Make size 6 and 20. Select Circle from bottom bevel. Select this and select Circle. Make size 7 cm and 7 cm. Also select Circle from bottom bevel. Make size 7 cm and 7 cm. Select this, distance from ground to 335 points. Select Circle, set distance from ground to 55 points. Select Rectangle, set distance from ground to 35 points. Select this circle, set distance from ground to 15 points. Select all and click on No Rotation. Select Rounded Rectangle, go to Format, then bring to front. Select this all, then align center and align middle. Select Circle, bring it here, then bring to front. Duplicate the shape, place here. Select both, duplicate, set distance from ground to 5 points and place the first circle on top. Select all, group them. Select this from Preset, click on 3D Format. Select Multi from Materials. Select Morning from Lighting and increase angle. Change the rotation size like X rotation 290, Y rotation 290, Z rotation 70. So, your air balloon is ready. Place outside the slide. To make the balloon move, go to Animation tab, click on Add Animation. Choose the line, go to Effect option, select Left Direction. Use the animation pen to adjust the timing and effect, making the animation smooth and realistic. So friends, This method will help you to create an attractive air balloon in PowerPoint, which can add a creative touch to your presentation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.